Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today I am your teacher and my name is Radhika. We are starting a chapter that name is Deep Blue Sea. As you know, aquatic life holds many secrets within it, and let's unveil these secrets hidden in the deep sea. Read the secrets and write the names, use the help box. Okay, तो बहुत सारे secrets को आज हम unveil करने वाले हैं. So read the first one. Their 10 arms surround their mouths and all the arms bear suckers. So that is a squid. क्या है बच्चों ये squid? कितने arms होते हैं? 10 arms. So write down squid. S-Q-U-I-D. Next is second is, so these irregular shaped animal have an internal skeleton of limestone or silica. जिसका internal skeleton होता है limestone या फिर silica का. So that number 2 is sponges. S-P-O-N-G-E-S. Next is, this fish blows up its body like a balloon to scare its enemies. और अपने enemies को scare करने के लिए अपनी body को ये swell कर देती है balloon की तरह. This way the enemy can't swallow it either. So that is puffer fish. ताकि enemy इसको ना खा सके. Puffer fish. Okay. Next है, the skeleton of this animal is seen outside its body. It may be soft, horny or stony. That is coral. Next is, this round or diamond shaped fish has tail stings which are poisonous. जिसकी tail stings होती हैं जो कि poisonous होती हैं. So that is sting से ही बनेगा stingray. S-T-I-N-G-R-A-Y, stingray. Okay, coming to next. Next is, the prettiest of all fishes is the सबसे सुंदर fish, that is butterfly fish. So write down here, butterfly fish. Next is, these fishes have bones near their tails which are as sharp as a surgeon's knife. जैसे सर्जन का नाइफ होता है ना, उतनी शार्प इनकी बोन्स होती हैं जो टेल के पास होती हैं. सो सर्जन से ही है फिश का नाम, दैट इज सर्जन फिश. ओके, सो राइट डाउन हेयर सर्जन fish. You can check the spelling from the help box. Fine. Now tidbits, that is, lungfish can live out of water for several years. It secretes a mucus cocoon and burrows itself under the unbaked earth. It takes in air with its lung through a built-in breathing tube that leads to the surface, and the lungfish has both gills and lungs. So that is a lungfish जिसके gills और lungs दोनों ही होते हैं. So बच्चे, this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the exercise yourself.